I want to quickly go through this kinematic setup that I've made. I made this because I've been working on some larger projects recently, and I needed to visualize the clearances in the 5xm's XYZ axis, also the tool and the head angle in the B and C axis. This will help me plan out machine strategies in CAM, fixture and jig placement, and axis travel and tooling. I'm using joints in Fusion 360 and have programmed their relative motion. The joint can be accessed by clicking the joint folder in the left browser or double clicking the blue joint arrow on the parts of the model. You can move them freely or incrementally. To also reset them back to their position, simply change their value to 0. I've set my tool to an arbitrary tool length of maximum of 80mm, where you can easily change that by extruding the model surface. Drag files over into the project window into the workspace. This will import the model and you're ready to start experimenting. This is a great way to visualize the working space for a project, especially with the limitations of your machine. 5xm kinematic models will be available for download on 5axismaker.com. Thank you for watching and take care everybody.